We're in Central World in Bangkok. The mall is huge. American Eagle, Birkenstock, Timberland. There's a gigantic, beautiful Apple store out the front. Central World is one of the biggest malls in the world for sure. I love Bangkok. So wonderful. We're staying at a hotel near this location, and it's just, the service is wonderful. The prices are not too high. And I don't know, the atmosphere just feels so comfortable. I don't know how to explain it any better than that. It's just feels like you want to have a condo around here. Yeah, Echo. This is just a small part of the mall. Actually, if you go that way, there's a huge other area. Okay, I think we're gonna go up. So this is just the one side of it. There's not many floors here, but the other side has, I think, 6 or 7 floors. And by the way, there's Central World, and then there's Siam Paragon, and there's another mall called Grayson or something like that. I mean, there's so much shopping here in Bangkok. You can spend 2 days here and never see all the stores. Ah, True Move. That is the phone company that I have. Great internet. Power Buy, that's a great store for electronics. And here we are in the other spot. Okay. This mall goes on forever. The one in Pattaya, there's a Central World in Pattaya, and apparently it's the biggest mall either in Asia or the world that's closest to the beach. But this Central is by far the largest. Now, here's another Apple store, but the one outside is absolutely amazing. Really unique round design, 2 floors. It's hard to explain without actually having to look at it. Anyway, this is just a bit of Central World to whet your appetite to come to Bangkok. Oh, there's Food World. Yummy. Are we going up? Okay, we're going up. This is also located very close to the Erawan statue, and if you might remember from a couple years ago, there was a bomb blast there, so very tragic. Several people died and many were quite injured. Incidentally, we just walked by there about a couple hours ago, so pretty spooky when you think about it. Oh, Miniso, we have those in Canada as well. It's a Japanese store. Genius Planet, wow. I wonder if we'll see Einstein there or whoever. Anyway, a little bit of Central World. Come to Bangkok.